Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Kovert review. We are going to be taking a close look at Kovert, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with Kovert. Kovert goes live on the 20th of January by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So, this is a full training that gives you the strategy to win in 2022. Now, if you've probably gone through 2021 making anything less than $100 per day, or you've probably even made $0 in affiliate marketing all through 2021, then I think you shouldn't go into 2022 without a strategy. Now, that strategy that you need to make at least $100 every single day, that strategy is covered, and we're going to get into that in a short while. But this is a training, and I've actually gone through this myself, and what else can I say than to tell you that this makes a lot of sense, and this will definitely help you. If you're a newbie, you don't even understand what affiliate marketing is. Not only that, even if you're experienced but you are basically struggling with affiliate marketing, I think this is going to change the game for you. And what I would advise is for you to get in now that this is still making a ton of sense, instead of wasting time and letting this pass you by. We're going to talk more about this, but this is training that shows you how to convert traffic into profits. Now, we're talking about different types of traffic here, which actually include paid traffic, but the strategy itself requires you to give out something which is free. Normally, people would normally give out PDFs and stuff like that, but this allows you to give out Google Docs. Now, what would be inside that Google Docs is what this training is actually about. Now, you have to put this in such a way as to give you the best conversions, and how to do that and make people actually get this Google Doc, which actually contains your own link, your own money links. This is what the Kovert affiliate system is all about. So that's Kovert in a short, in summary, is a system that allows you to make money. Now, I'm giving you bonuses that allow you to make money with Kovert on completely free traffic. Now, you would never find this anywhere else. I am saying that, to be precise, you are not going to find my bonuses anywhere else. I'm going to go through my custom bonuses right now, and then we'll talk more about Kovert. And that's just what's going to be. That's what my review of Kovert is going to be. Bonus number 1, I'm going to be giving you access to my own list. This is an active buyer list of 1,000 plus subscribers. Now, if you know a thing or two about one of the best paid traffic, which is actually solo ads, you pay a guru, so to speak. You pay someone who has a list. You pay them like $100, and they send you maybe 100 clicks, that kind of a thing, or 200 clicks, or whatever the rate is. And then you probably get a few sales. Sometimes you don't even get a sale. But you might get, a few subscribers. That's after spending, a couple of $100 and stuff like that. I'm giving you my own list of 1,000 plus subscribers that has actually costed me several thousands to build, so to speak, and also a lot of time to actually build these subscribers. Because you would need some traffic in order to do this magic for you. You need some buyer traffic to do this magic for you. So I'm going to be giving you this list, plus autoresponder software that you can actually use to blast, your link to this list, as my first bonus. Now, this is a limited time offer, because I'm actually going to be taking this down in a few days, because I really don't want so many people, I'm not interested in actually giving this away to so many people. So the value of this bonus is actually, upwards of $3,000, but I'm going to be giving you this as my bonus number 1. This is in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing niche, and these are the kind of offers you can actually send to this list. Also, bonus number 2, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based software. This gives you access to done for you eye-converting product reviews. Now, these are already done product reviews with bonuses on top of the pages, with buttons on the with buy buttons on these product reviews. Now, these buy buttons will actually become your affiliate link. Now, what you need to do once you log into this cloud-based software is go and get your, like in the case of ClickBank product, go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID. Come and save it to your profile here. Now, all the done for you eye-converting product reviews become your own reviews, and all the links become your own links. Same thing for Warrior Plus product. Now, this comes with free traffic in the cloud-based software, and also it comes with free traffic training on how to get the best conversions and sales with this cloud-based software. Also, bonus number 3, I'm going to be giving you access to another cloud-based video traffic software that allows you to use other people's viral video to drive a ton of traffic and to make sales. Now, you are not going to be creating videos at all. You are going to be able to search for these videos in any niche, and then you are going to be able to place your own links on top of these viral videos. Now, these videos are already proven to do very well. They're getting a ton of interactions already. Now, you can actually upload any image you want. This image is going to show up on the playback of these videos, and when people actually click on this image, it's going to take them to your affiliate link. You can add clickable call to actions. You can add opt-in forms that allow you to build your list while making a ton of money with affiliate marketing on completely free traffic. Also, bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you a video training that shows you how to get a ton of traffic from Kovert. Now, on looking at Kovert seems to be a perfect traffic source for this kind of traffic that's needed to convert with Kovert. So you are going to be getting access to a training here that shows you one of the easiest way to drive some free eye converting traffic with Kovert to start making profits, even if you are a complete newbie. Now, in bonus number 5, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that allows you to create your own custom squeeze page templates. Now, you actually get access to these templates. So all you need to do is slap in your affiliate link, select whichever template you want out of these eye converting templates, slap in your affiliate link, and then you are good to go. Now, what you are going to be doing is actually slapping in your link to the campaigns you are going to be able to create following the training in Kovert. So slap in your links here, and then you are going to be building your list. Now, instead of paying monthly fees to ClickFunnels or ConvertKit or any other page builder that you are going to be using, you are going to be getting access to a page builder here that you can actually select whichever template you want, and in just a matter of seconds you can create as many campaigns as you want. So don't pay for ClickFunnels, don't pay for ConvertKit or any other paid builder they are telling you to pay for here inside Kovert. Instead, use this cloud-based software to create your own eye converting squeeze page templates. Also, bonus number 6, you are going to be getting access to a premium video training where I am going to be showing you how I make upwards of $100 per day completely free traffic. I'm doing this with affiliate marketing every single day, and I'm going to be giving you white label right, meaning you can actually give this away also if you want to build your own list. And of course, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. So all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses, click on any of the red buttons on this page. And if you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Kovert, where you're going to be able to pick up Kovert and where you're going to be getting full information about this training. So it says new for 2022, at last, a system that really works. 2 steps plus 5 minutes puts $173 $33 in our pocket every day. No tech, no waiting, no experience needed. So come check this out in your own time. because there's a ton of information, and you're going to find a ton of some proof of results also on this sales page. So this is what the sales page looks like. Come check this out in your own time to get full information about Kovert. You're going to find more proof of results from people who have actually used Kovert and who are also still using this system. So here's the members area. Once again, there's going to be a welcome video by Mark Bishop, and also you're going to see it in action. You're going to see results step by step, shows you what is done and the steps you need to take to do that. And you're going to get a summary. You're also going to find case study here that actually shows you how to get results with the Kovert system. So that's it. That's what this is all about. This is how to really make money with affiliate marketing, even if you are struggling right now, or even if you are a complete newbie. So that's my review of Kovert. Let's talk about the pricing now. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty cool, and this gives you access to the members area, gives you the complete system, step-by-step videos, 14 videos detailing the whole process, and then you get the case study also, and then you can actually see it in action. Now there's some optional upgrades like the 5K campaign. These are all optional. Upgrade number 2 is unlimited, done for you. Upgrade number 3 is Kovert traffic marks, and upgrade number 4 is the ultimate agency. So these are all optional upgrades. You can actually, you are going to be presented with the sales page once you pick up the front end, and you can choose whichever one you decide to go with. So that's going to be my review of Kovert. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.